Cold black man.
Mr. One,
what they go on?
Tell me at the ball. Why? I don't even want bet again.
Make us see.
We did try.
Oh, so you still use these betting platforms? How many times do you want me to tell you to bet on only one bet?
One bet.
Yes, they get the best odds ever. Hey, just bring your phone. Bring your phone.
Okay.
Download the app on your phone from the Google Play Store.
Okay.
Yes,
one
App Store.
bet.
Download it. Very good. Now register using my promo code Vision2020. That is the promo code. Vision2020. Promo code I also use. I don't know. Registration successful, right?
Yes.
Now make your deposit.
Hey, Mama.
Why? 200% bonus, right?
Yes.
And this is the same what one is betting on. When you make a deposit after registration using the promo code Vision2020, you get instant 200% bonus on your deposit. So now you are going to use that to bet on your favorite teams.
We are four
Man, relax. Now, only manager say me after placing the bet, when you lose, one bet will give you back 10% of what you lost. Don't pay enough at the
in Bandili in demand.
Also, what any betting cost me? If you never call me Mr. One bet. One bet Latin.
Hey, Mr. One Akuynyati. Bema. Oh, me. Yeah, me there. Me send ko da. Na ma juju me ho. Na ma select teams no. Na ma punya tum. Ebesia. One bet. You brother.
Vision Nation, baby.
Previously on Peer Pressure.
Is that what you're telling me? That I deserve hotel rooms?
Of course.
I regret the first day I made friends with you. Stupid girl. You are rather stupid.
So who on this earth shows Sandy my place to embarrass me yesterday?
Fresh boy, why do you talk to us as if we are your kids? How dare you? What do you take us for?
Makonzi. Charlie, I swear I never know say person go complete so candle house when body go bam like this. Hey!
Ever since you got pregnant, I was afraid I would not.
At the end, I pay your crap one pair. More be my pressure, pim cock was strong, my best friend. School girl CP needs to buy open now for same day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys be near boy or back class hour depends no one team seen to the bank. More name break, and Satania back with 240. Peer pressure, if you real one can't see me never found the I am in my wood. It became Mujagu for the council, trying to 7 flags. I know any other. Sugar mama phone, you date or no didn't come out. What you say, yeah, my papa.
Be any fear, free to ye, be I do it. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay. Be any fear, free to ye, be I do it. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I before, peer pressure before. Before, peer pressure before. Before, peer pressure before. Before, peer pressure before.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, 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 peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, pressure, pressure.
Be any fear, free to ye, be I do it. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay. Be any fear, free to ye, be I do it. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay. And yes, I before, peer pressure before.
So who on this earth shows Sandy my place to embarrass me yesterday? Fresh boy, why do you talk to us as if we are your kids? How dare you? What do you take us for? Huh? That's not the answer to my question. I want to know who directed Sandy to my place. Thank God my father was not there. He will have skinned me alive. Fresh. I did. Yes. I directed Sandy to your house. How long is it going to take for you to show that girl your house? Huh? Oh. So you told Sandy Joy has come to my place, so she should come and embarrass me. Okay. I thought you guys were good friends, but I didn't know you were my enemy. Hey. Hold it, Fresh boy. You've dated these girls way back in SHS, and why don't you want to show Sandy your house? Huh? Now, you just dated Joy recently, and he knows your house. How much more Sandy? Hey, listen guys. None of you guys can be my life coach. You hear? I'm not part of this anymore. I'm out. I'm no more interested. Hey, Fresh boy. Hey. Fresh boy. Don't move. Allah make you.
So Fresh boy can cheat on me? And he's so proud of that?
Yeah. That guy never loved you. Fresh boy is my friend. He doesn't love you. And that's the reason why he's cheating on you. That is the reason why he doesn't want to take you home. Yeah. You see, I was interested in you and still interested in you.
And what about Sheila?
As for Sheila, she forced me to love her. You know, it was you that I was interested from the beginning. I was there because she rushed to date me and I could.
Lazy. What's up? Hello? Lazy. I don't like make a song call you when you're mommy. My old bonnie Biana. Lazy. Hello? Hello?
You want me to talk with you, right? You want me to talk with you? How many times should I beg you for this money to settle my rent? It's been 3 weeks now. That's that money.
Lizzie, 3 weeks now. 3 weeks now, so can 3 weeks now mean miss cano. And until Namaba. Hello. Media Banya Butre.
Are you sure?
You need to make an intro. Nana. Yeah. To see you with 3 Nash said and black. Hey, okay, here you are.
How much is it?
1,500. If 1,000 you 3 hour rent and I can make it 500 now.
Okay, thank you.
What's wrong?
I love you.
Yeah, they were that's why I love you. Maybe I done with Chama said that's why I love you. That's why That's why I you can also.
Thank you.
Love you too, dear.
Thank you.
So what's up? What next? About 6 left for now. What's your name? Down for now. Right.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
I'll call you.
Okay.
You go care of yourself.
Now the money is in 500. How am I going to send this?
Sandy? High spirit? Cousin? Jesus Christ! Sandy! So this is how you're going to repay me? Snatching my boyfriend because we had a misunderstanding the last time? And so what?
Am I the first thing on earth to snatch a bitch's boyfriend?
You bitch! You prostitute! Can you shut that stinking mouth of yours? You're not even ashamed of yourself. Sleeping with your own friend's boyfriend, and you even have the guts to speak. You cheap whore! Can you watch your mouth?
You think you can come to my house and order me around? You ugly mongrel!
Hey! You guys should stop this!
Get off me!
Sheila,
what?
You were only rehearsing for a movie shoot. Nothing else.
Rehearsing my foot. Rehearsing my foot. High spirit. Step aside. Let go.
Please. Please. Yeah, hello. Cynthia, where are you? Right. Meet me right now. Yeah, right now at Aroma Village. Yeah. Just tell the receptionist to give you the key to room number 7.
Sandy, so this is how you're going to repay me, right? I thought I could trust you. I thought you were a sister to me. Snatching my own boyfriend.
What boyfriend? What boyfriend? You think I don't know? That he loved me and you went back for him? Oh,
is that what he told you?
No,
is that what he told you? Huh. Men are always going to say things like this to get your attention. You have to be wise, Sandra. You have to be wise.
Right now, right? Okay. I said right now, I'll be there right now. I love you too, baby.
What kind of a friend are you?
You think you can come here and order me? You know what? I'm done with this. I'm not going to take this anymore.
Really?
Yes, I am not. Get the hell out of my house.
So are you going to fight? Get out! I'm not getting out. You can go the hell and do whatever you want to do with me.
Wow.
Yes, I'm not going. Yes. What do you want to do? What can you do? What can you do?
What are you good at?
What am I good at? What are you good at? I'm good at fighting.
Apart from bitching around, what are you good at?
Bitching around.
Oh, excuse me.
You are good at a nothing cheap whore. You think you have the right to tell me anything you want?
Look at someone narrating her life story.
Narrating?
Oh.
Narrating?
Bitch, get out.
I'm not. Unless you explain to me why I saw you guys kissing.
Yes, I have kissed him. And his lips were so kissable. And so...
Sandy! Really? Sandy!
Do you want to do this?
Sandy! Do you want to do this? Sandy! Get back! I should get back for what? Sandy!
Do you want to do this?
Do I want to do what? I saw you kissing my boyfriend and you are telling me that I don't have anything to do.
I am going to do it today, tomorrow and forever. Get out!
I won't get out! I want to get out! I won't get out! Who do you think you are?
Well, you can...
Akoni, why are you crying? And why didn't I hear from you again yesterday?
But yesterday after finishing with Frida, she told me to escort her to town. But can I do a fine taxi near fire? No, you don't know boys to home me. But can I call and you want to do it front or no? Are you too serious?
Jesus.
Do take me my Frida, but now me back on influence. You must have do not come my Frida. Oh, no, when so come me. After me, come and come come, boy, and yeah, so giddy. Your phones, just I did come be a coto to me and coto. Your phones, you see everything. You collect everything.
So did you hear it?
Bro, my fiancé in the match. Now,
sorry to hear.
At the end, one pay your crab one pair. Mobile more pressure, pim cock was strong man best friend. School girl CP needs to buy open now for same day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys be near boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. More name break, and Satania back you 240. Peer pressure, if you real one can't see me near found the and I'm in my wood. It became Mujagu for second, so trying to 7 flex. I know
he called me. What's the matter?
What is wrong with you? How can you create confusion between two girls? Huh? How can you date two friends at the same time? What is wrong with you, High Spirit?
I hope she's cool.
Yeah, she's cool. One time I tell you see when I say me fast let me go police station and report to my police for.
Okay, that's
good. My police for. But the reason why I catch you me tomorrow I say, you know, say your phone. Boy, it's so.
You know what? You know each other from since day one. So this shouldn't be a problem. Actually, because your life is more important than the phone.
Okay, bro.
So feel good.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, feel
Thank
good.
you.
Oh, child, but this is very bad story, bro.
Boy, few days, and it's me do na man now that why?
No problem. Charlie, sorry, you'll be fine, okay?
Thank you.
No problem. So, Charlie, just see what you do. I'll just pay all the settlement. Why?
Okay.
Debbie. Oh, so you came here to attack me on this common normal issue. We in the first time you be here now. Say I'm cheating with Sandy on Sheila and causing confusion and a whole lot.
Not this normal.
I did nothing. It's moment you said the first boy, you know, or pursue treat Sandy bad now. How can you date again, refuse to take her or show her your house, but you're able to cheat on her with another girl?
I made you a promise, and I'm here to fulfill it.
I know you. You always go by your words.
Okay. Take this phone. It's actually my used phone though, but you can manage it.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you for everything you've been doing for me. I really appreciate it.
It's fine, it's okay.
Don't come at me 11 franc many by the time. Your used phone dear.
What pro?
Thank you. 11.
What pro?
11.
Pregnancy pro.
Hey, you gotta be steady.
Oh please. A beggar with a choice. Oh yeah, take Joe.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Get now the coffee on who need a bay.
Into what you now yen and papa me boa.
I did nothing. I was just showing caring. Na me sure do me pampano. Na mama na who say upon life be I did nothing. No, manya way. Me crocron na Sheila beto you see me kissing. You know Sheila.
No, no kissing no.
Me kissing. I don't want Sheila na. She can create on why it is a blogger. The pure the information got out.
High spirit. I make her some show. What's mean creating confusion? I may now for what has not make a show. What's the way as I say and to call the girls ni me untem. I don't know you're not a few.
Have you been going to the hospital for checkup or something? I think that thing is growing, you know.
Actually, I have been going, but since last week I've not been going. Like, mommy's not having money, so I couldn't go since last week.
But I remember telling you to tell me when you need anything, didn't I?
Come on, Sandy. It's not always that I have to ask you for everything.
But I'm not complaining. I am not.
Come on. What you're doing is so enough.
Are you okay?
Hey, that boy. Hey. You're steady. You
Let this be the last time, cause ultimate creative confusion. I'm my answer. So what I make a chon. Maybe it's CBM.
Debbie, we a mistake. I'll go with you. Me pay me here. What's the make a
chon? Yes, actually, no, Musandi no. Me say I'm too. What that?
Okwana ko too cool young boy now. Ukoto now na sani.
Your days are not.
Fia kwa fa se mu fia ko nya kwan. Se nwura kwa. Asi asem.
No worry, I can't be asking you things.
You know what? Just take. Since you couldn't go last week, maybe this week you can. Please, stop doing that.
Sandy, this is too much. Anyways, thank you so much. Thank you very much for what you're doing for me. Like,
you are welcome, Princess. If something happens to this, I won't forgive you.
I promise I'll go.
Fine.
Thank you.
Hey, stop.
Thank you.
So you need to update your phone and then you take it from there.
Okay.
Anyway, where is Sister Gifty and Mommy?
I think she's inside out. Mommy is out. She's going for market. You know, they've not been buying nowadays, but she's trying her best to, you know, because of my baby. Thank you. But I'm 11 plank and energy. Let me just say. Come on, like, I'm just kidding.
Let me just get going. I think I have to check some things at the shop.
Okay.
What did you just tell me?
Babe. Akoni said he was ganged by armed robbers in the taxi. Hello, he was escorting Frida to town.
How is that possible?
It's okay, you know, his life is more important than the phone. Could you imagine if he didn't give the phone to them? Just imagine what was going to happen. Besides, he has promised to pay me back. So just accept this, okay?
You see what I've been telling you about this your friend? This particular friend of yours. You see what I've been telling you about him? Huh?
It's okay, it's okay. I know he is going to pay, so don't worry, okay? And I'll make sure I'll buy a new phone.
When is he going to pay?
He said 3 days time, he's going to pay to me.
I swear to God, if this boy don't beat this money in 3 days time, what I will do, one man?
Just relax. I'm going to take charge of that, okay? I know you very well, and you know, sometimes yes, you have to just forget about it.
Which one? Who's your friend? I better spare me.
Come on, what are you talking about? Eh? So, do you want to tell me that the phone is important than his life? Or what? Eh? Just like this. Let's confess. I don't want to work with you because of this.
When I call that your friend, who misplaced your phone to escort the Oga, that's the way. The way is your front.
I don't like how you are doing it.
The way is your front. Oh!
So you are not going with me?
Hey, the way is your front. Don't go and just look for that boy. Let him escort you.
I want to buy you something.
I don't want.
Another one, this. It's fresh to the K-E-L-V. When you're lying on. Yeah.
Stupid boy! How can you be flirting with my girlfriend to the extent of kissing her? Only the two of you know if you fuck yourself or what.
Fresh boy, you are a fool to attack me in this manner. Now let me tell you, if you really love Sandy, you wouldn't have cheated on her with that girl. Hey, don't piss me off. That's not even for business.
You prostitute, Sandy. I thought we were best of friends. So you could sleep with my boyfriend? If I am a prostitute, then you train me to it. Because I didn't know how to sleep with old men, so you introduced us into it. So you have first degree in prostitution. Sandy, your whole family, in fact, your entire family is a shower kaba. You two are stupid.
All of us, we do cheat, so you can't be telling me shit.
Very good. If we do cheat, then that is the reason why I am cheating on Sheila with Sandy. Shut up, both of you. Shut up. Shut up.
We came here to solve issues, not to fight. This is the time we need to put on our thinking caps, not to quarrel as you are doing. That's exactly the point. I'm out of this clip now.
You can leave.
Can't be out of this clip.
I'm out of this clip.
Leave me alone. Hello.
Allow him to go.
Leave me alone.
Allow him to leave. Stupid fool.
Girls, do you have an idea people are listening to us? Huh? Don't you know your secret is your major weapon on this earth? Guys, they can use that against us. We can stop this in a different way. Does it look like I care?
You see your life? You see your fucking damn life? It's all shut up! I won't shut up!
Don't blame me here.
Whom should I blame?
Yes.
Whom should I blame?
Are you not aware of how that French boy is treating Sandy?
We all treated our girls stupidly! We all do cheat! It doesn't mean that we should go about flirting with our serious girlfriends.
Let me tell you. So we'll be any now so more in Tia.
You both are snake and the grass. Look at that. Yes. I cursed the day I set eyes on you two. You were the same people who caused princesses miserable lives. Yes. The highest endless fools. I also cursed the day I met you. Stupid fool. Stop this. Stupid fool.
Charlie, my calling.
Yo, bro.
Boy, and I make slow. Maybe you know, say I no get phone. I don't know if you do any update. When it comes in terms of chatting crime, creating sites, like I don't know if you do anything. Imagine, my guy said give me new VPN 911. where the phone day. I'm not if you enter to that VPN inside says, Charlie, boy, I make slow. At the beg you are trying you cannot say this is the only thing person they do this survive for street. You understand?
Bro, no say I don't think about it. Man, day in day out to the junior home because sometimes I'm a junior say I don't phone back company I would be soon. My boy me slow. Me force me slow. What am I make a crabby slow? So what's on the walk at the street, you know? I hold so well, you try the economy. What am I a few days to be, boy? I promise you, they be not, boy, Makashua.
I don't know say if I get money, I just want to be anytime feel left hand, but Charlie, where the money dey? If it is phone how they take the do things where they survive for street. If it the same thing where they give us money.
Yeah.
So phone out your body actually. Nothing better.
Okay. Now better not check it.
Charlie, right now the best say chow. So me I don't know the one say we dey talk. My birthday, this bet, plenty bet. Oh.
I don't know show na Calabria.
Like the match one is bet.
I'm talking about one is bet.
We don't talk. So left 2 matches.
Okay. Match.
And make quite and chop them waiting, pay my money, make I go get new phone.
Well, what I need to say me microphone, you see, I did some microphone, the account check my tears, you know.
I want to see my other side and see what's up in here. Tonight, me buy some one or two things. Well, I will link up.
Affirmation black.
Well, you know, put a crazy video.
Hey, yo, Summer. Tell her we dey here, we dey wait for you. Right, hey, Charlie, me are the best. The best, Charlie, me are the best. Why, you know the best? No. Are you been told? The new best society will come, you don't know. Yeah, my father is pastor, he tell me. Sure, that pastor matter. We dey find money, one is bet come, you know here. The new betting site company, you know here. You be jump up, I know they find money. That's why the girls they left, you know, make a brush you too. Why you bring them? Make a brush. Oh, massa. You just too much. The money matter. Make a brush you through. See, download one that's bet your phone top. You download down Finia. You go use the promo code Vision 2020. Charlie. You say go get 200% bonus view. Money I be when they join me. Company they cool me. See, the one where they join me crab saying, the one where they join me crab saying, if you lose safe, they will give you 10%. 10%? Why? See that person. Now we lose, they get 10%. This one you lose, I will get 10% join. You know they like that one me, I get money all the time. No, I get money. But 10%. There. I say use the promo code Vision 2020. You get 200% bonus join. So if you do 50 Ghana right now, you get like 10,000. Boy, hey boy. Hey boy. Don't you buy so too much? I don't know. You can't come on my laptop. The baby why you make it like that? Mr. iPhone will fear. Hey, you can buy iPhone. I tell you. On them. You pull up on them. Pick you on them. You know say you be yawa boy. Me I be yawa boy. You be yawa boy. You get money where you go buy a phone. You get money you go buy a phone. You don't say me be bet where the stake. Charlie, me than you know. If you bet where the stake, I say I go do what? I don't tell you. Why you bring this? Charlie, this one day I bought them on the cheaper price. I bought them on the cheaper price. It be some guy be where you got some problems. Be where you want sell them to me. So you sell them a just fit. Cheap one. Hey, I have cheap. Make I see the phone. One iPhone 13 I turn on my guy. We any ever family man akosinyo. Yeah, see, say jealousy. No be jealousy. No be I buy iPhone, you tax one iPhone 13 I turn on David. Kwati kakra. Na fe wona iPhone 13 Allah. iPhone 13 be this. Jump boy, you know iPhone 13. Look at it.
iPhone 13 be that. Some boy, I want sorry, I'm no. But this is not the iPhone 13. It be your mommy. It be 10 next month. But you be done. I told you say you go get. Make us see the phone. Check the phone. Make a view. iPhone 13 be that. You talk me say iPhone S. Let me educate you. Let me educate you. iPhone 13 contains 3 cameras, but this it be 2, my brother. 2. 2 ain't that bad. This be X mass, my This will be 10. You be Obroni, motherfucker. Okay. It be true. Yeah, you be done. You white man, you come here and you come a laptop. They can't show me. This not iPhone 13. You know something? All jokes aside, I would say you get brain, you get tactical brain, you get sense. Like you white man, you can't black man in laptop. Where you go pick me? But it makes fire. Hey, it be. Hey, rather Hey, you go take S-Max can't give me say it be 13. Hey, if you say you be John for here, you not be John. You from your hometown where you come, see what you can't do for here. Chema. Okay, who said that for you? You feel about something like Can make serious, make you help. You know go talk. Then we go take your money can give. You know go talk. You don't say we be one. You know go talk. We go take your money can give. You know go talk. There. Someone Makonzi. I know Makonzi. Who be that? Makonzi. I know him. Who be that? It's my girlfriend. You know, I know Makonzi. Where you from? Make you go, my guy. You know him. You know him. I know. If I find you do me like that, you go.
Next on Peer Pressure.
I don't want to talk plus you.
Wait for me outside.
I don't want to talk plus you. You the time you say make I go away.
Mr. Wait for me outside. I dey come. I will be down where we did this.
I'm not going anywhere.
Master.
Makonzi, so you cannot bring a woman to a restaurant. What's your owing my boyfriend?
And what's your problem? That's between me and your Kanatu to be the Kanakunta. You got me?
Baby, who is she?
Man.
Will you shut up?
I want my share.
Fresh, you can go to hell.
Really?
Yes. And let me remind you, I know who you are. I trained you. I brought you into this clique.
K in the building. It's first to the K-E-L-Vin.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision Nation. Say, Mobi and Dada, more in Brady, and one pair your crab one pair. Mobi and my pressure, Pim Cock on strong man best string. Schoolgirl CP needs to buy open now for some day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P, no boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. More in break, and Satania back here 240. Peer pressure, it be rose 1 can't see me never found yeah, and I'm in my wood. It became Moja for the council, trying to 7 flags, I know what the other. Sugar mama phone, you date or no do come out, what you say, yeah, my pap.
Be any fear, free to be a tutu. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear, free to be a tutu. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And that's a better, be a pressure.